Today I'm making a fast and easy chicken chow mein. You guys are gonna love this recipe. We're gonna start off by cutting our veggies. I'm gonna be using carrots, mushrooms, white onion, green onion, cabbage, but you can add the veggies that you like or you have on hand. For the chicken, I'm using 1 pound of chicken tenders that I'm gonna cut into smaller pieces. Then we marinate with 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 4 teaspoons of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of better than bouillon, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder, and here I have half a teaspoon of each, white pepper, baking soda, and garlic powder. Mix until everything is well combined and set aside. For the sauce, here I have 4 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons of sweet soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of dark soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of better than bouillon, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and half a teaspoon of white pepper. Mix well and set aside. To cook the noodles, my pot is set to medium-high heat with 3.5 quarts of boiling water. We add some salt and then the chow mein stir-fry noodles. I'm using a total of 12 ounces. Cook for about 3 minutes and make sure not to overcook because your chow mein will be dry and sticky. Once you remove from the heat, make sure to run it through cold water so it doesn't continue cooking. My hybrid wok is set to medium-high heat and I'm gonna add some oil. We add the chicken, 3 minced garlic cloves, and cook for about 6 to 8 minutes. It's been 7 minutes, the chicken is ready, and we remove it from the heat. In the same pan, I added some oil, and we can start sauteing our veggies. You can add as much as you like. I'm personally using 1 carrot, 2 mushrooms, 2 green onions, half a white onion, and a small piece of cabbage. After 2 minutes, we add back in the chicken and cook for about a minute. And we add the noodles, the sauce we made, and toss. Once it's well incorporated, we add some green onion, and after about 2 minutes, it's ready to enjoy. And guys, look at this. It's super delicious. I'm gonna serve myself a bowl, and I like to top it off with some sesame seeds, but this is optional. All right, guys, so now for the moment of truth. Cheers. You really need to try this. It's so easy to make, so if you've never made it at home, you should definitely try it. For this chow mein, you can add the veggies that you like. I also like to add broccoli, zucchini, or mostly whatever you have in your fridge. And there you have it, delicious chow mein. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.